Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Ethan from Recovapro and today we're gonna talk about the 4 different head applications that come with the Recovapro. Since the beginning of massage devices there are many new different heads, so it can be quite confusing these days which head to use for what. The Recovapro comes with 4 different heads to make it efficient for all muscles in the human body. And I say human body, but the Recovapro is also animal friendly. So these are the 4 head attachments the Recovapro comes with. It comes with a round head, a flat head with a power head attachment, a fork head, and last but not least the bullet head. We'll start off with the round head. The round head is for a less deep massage and for large muscle groups, for example the forearms. And I mentioned the forearms since the bones are very close, and because of the round head not giving such a deep massage, it is still a nice, less deep massage without massaging against the bones. And since it is being used for larger muscle groups, it is also very good to use for the calves, if you would like to massage them but don't want a too deep massage. So let's move on to the flat head. This head can be used for almost every part of the body. This is also for a less deep massage but a more spreaded massage. This is very good to release the soreness and increase blood flow, or to warm up your muscles before you work out or for example other activities. The fork head. And if you look closely, you see this looks like the bullet head, but with 2 smaller heads next to each other. The main purpose of this head is to use it between the neck and spine. That's why it has a space between those 2 small bullets. It could also be used at certain angles to massage a very specific deep muscle points. And the last head I'm gonna talk about is the bullet head. This head is to very specifically massage a certain muscle or part of the muscle. The head helps to release that very tight sore muscle. Just to clarify, if you use any head another way than what I just said, that's okay. If you think it helps you at any other way than what I just said, then feel free to do that. So these were all the heads. For any other questions, make sure to comment them under the video. I hope this video helped you out, and if so, we would appreciate a like on this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Peace.